Welcome to BestusefulTips. I will show you how to change the date and time on your Google Pixel 7, 7 Pro, 6, 6 Pro and other Pixel device. Open the app door on your device. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down. Tap on the System. Here you can see the date and time option. Tap on the date and time. Toggle off the set time automatically. Here you can set date, time. Also choose location, enable or disable you want. Here you can see the time zone, toggle of it, time zone. Tap on a time zone, tap on a region. Now select the region you want to leave on a device to automatically set time zone on a device. You can also enable or disable, use local default to use a 24-hour permit or 12-hour permit on your device. It's quite easy to set a date and time on your device. Make sure toggle on set automatically in time zone to automatically update time on your Google Pixel devices. That's it. If you like it, share it.